Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. If you're a passionate Glock enthusiast looking to take your customization game to the next level, buckle up because I've got something genuinely exhilarating for you. Meet the remarkable FLASHFORGE 3D printer, the pinnacle of printing prowess when crafting Glock frames. Prepare to be blown away by its cutting-edge features that ignite your imagination and bring your firearm dreams to life. This magnificent machine boasts a mind-boggling level of precision, ensuring each layer of your Glock frame is flawlessly rendered with unparalleled accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. The FLASHFORGE 3D printer has a rapid heating bed that guarantees your masterpiece won't warp, maintaining the utmost quality in every print. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of materials, from sturdy ABS to flexible TPU, allowing you to tailor your Glock frame to your preferences. Whether you're an industrial designer, an architect, or a Glock enthusiast with an insatiable thirst for perfection, this printer is your ultimate ally. It's time to revolutionize your workshop, embrace endless possibilities, and unlock a new world of customized Glock frames with the magnificent FLASHFORGE 3D printer. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.